news for those hoping to break into the property market in 2017, with housing prices forecast to cool this year. For more, we're joined by the property expert, Robert Klaric. Rob, good morning to you.
Good morning, Sylvia.
Will 2017 see the end of the boom?
Yeah, look, I think so. And probably it's about time as well. We'll definitely see, it won't be a bust, but I think we'll get an adjustment into our market.
So what will be the factors delivering that adjustment?
Well, there's an oversupply of units coming onto the market, especially when you look at the big markets like Sydney and Melbourne, Brisbane as well. And so that'll level things out when you've got more properties coming on, more choice. That'll just keep a lid on where the prices have continuously gone up.
So if you were a first home buyer right now, where would you be looking? Where will be the most value?
Well, you know what? It'll be interesting. All the suburbs and really anything within 5 to 10 kilometres of the major CBD, whether it's Melbourne, whether it's Sydney, whether it's Brisbane or Perth, they're going to offer actually good buying, especially over the next 12 months.
There are some suburbs that have been deemed as risky. Tell us about that.
Yeah, there was a report done last year by the Macquarie Bank, and certain pockets of all these major capital cities have declared as little risky suburbs, what it means is that you need a bigger deposit to buy in those postcodes. So things like World Square in the middle of Sydney, you're going to end up needing a bigger deposit to be able to buy into those postcodes.
We're just looking at Victoria too there, the Melbourne CBD, St Kilda Road, Central, World Trade Centre South North.
Docklands.
Yeah, Chapel Street North and South Melbourne. Tell us though what this means then for sellers.
Well, for sellers, I guess if you're a seller, the first part of this year, the first quarter, will probably be the time that you'd want to sell to maximise the profits. Mind you, over the last 2 to 3 years, the profits have been really high. So if you're going to sell, it'll be in the first half of this year. If you're looking at buying, the best buys will be the second half of this year.
All right, it's all good advice. Thank you so much, Rob Clark.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
your insight.
Happy New Year.
You too.